Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 12 principles of Agile Manifesto. So nowadays, the current IT market is leading the process methodology is Agile process methodology to develop any software development. Then what is Agile? Agile software development is an approach to software development under which requirements and solutions evolve through the collaborative effort of self-organizing and cross-functional teams and their customers. Whenever you are developing any software development using Agile methodology, these 12 principles should follow to develop a high quality software product. So let us see those 12 principles of Agile Manifesto. The first one is customer satisfaction. This manifesto provides high priority to satisfy the customer requirements. This is done through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. That means whenever we are developing any software, that software must reaches the customer satisfaction. The second principle is welcome change. Making changes during software development is common and inevitable. Every changing requirement should be welcome, even in the late development phase. Agile process works to increase the customer's competitive advantage. That means if you are developing software and the client gives some requirements and the team members will developing the project. So during the project of software development, if client will approach some changes of requirements, then the project team should accept those changes to do the software development. The next principle is deliver the working software. Deliver the working software frequently, ranging from a few weeks to a few months, with considering the shortest time period. That means here we are delivering the software in sprint wise. Here sprint means the duration of the requirements, whatever you are doing the work. Suppose if client will come with 10 requirements, first you need to give the priority of the client requirements. So in that 10 requirements, you need to deliver 3 or 4 requirements. You need to deliver the software within 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay, that's we call a sprint. The next principle is collaboration. Business people, that means Scrum Master and Project Owner and developers must work together during the entire life of a project development phase. So here in a project, everyone involved to develop the software in a collaborative manner. That means all people, product owner, Scrum Master and the developers, testers must work together during the entire life of project development phase. The next principle is motivation. Projects should be built around motivated team members. It should provide such environment that supports individual team members and trust them. It makes them feel responsible for getting the job done thoroughly. The next principle is face-to-face conversation. Face-to-face conversation between Scrum Master and development team and between the Scrum Master and customers for the most efficient and effective method of conveying information and within a development team. That means every team member who are involving in the project, so all are sitting in the same place, and if any team member will get doubt on the requirements or what to do and how to do, any doubt will rise, then immediately you can solve those doubts in the face to face only. Okay, and it's all people, so all team members sitting on the same bench. Okay, the next principle is measure the progress as per the working software. The working software is the key and primary measure of the progress. That means whenever you are getting the requirements from client and you need to develop that requirements in the form of a software in a short period of time, and you need to deliver in a short period of time those requirements whatever client is expecting from us. The next principle is maintain constant pace. The aim of agile development is sustainable development. All the businesses and users should be able to maintain a constant pace with their project. The next principle is monitoring. Pay regular attention to technical excellence and good design to maximize agility. The next principle is simplicity. Keep things simple and use simple terms to measure the work that is not completed. The next one is self-organized teams. The agile team should be self-organized. They should not be depending heavily on other teams because the best architectures requirements and design emerges from self-organized teams. The last principle is review the work regularly. The work should be reviewed at regular intervals so that the team can reflect on how to become more productive and adjust its behavior accordingly. That means whatever you are doing the project in the project, you need to review those things regularly. So these are the 12 agile principles every agile uh, developers should follow. That means whenever you are using in your project as a agile methodology, you should follow these 12 principles uh, to deliver a best software quality. So that's all about my side. So thank you for watching.